The first step starts with cleansing. The skin is loaded with bacteria, and it's important to clean your skin of that bacteria, but to do it in a gentle way without drying you out. And that's why I've developed a cleanser that's non-foaming. And what does that mean? That it's non-drying. You use a small amount of it, and what you do is you just put a little bit on your face and you rub it all over. And then you just wash it off. Or you can use a little pad to wash it off also. And this is so gentle, you can use it to take off your makeup. Now some people say to me, oh, but my skin doesn't feel squeaky clean. Is it really clean? And the answer is, it is. You don't want to make your skin squeaky clean because you're drying it out. And when you do that, you just send a signal to your skin to rev up and make more oils. And we know we don't really want to do that to clog our pores. So the first step is cleansing. After you cleanse, it's very important to tone. Now, why is toning important? You know, when I was in the lab working with cartilage and connective tissue, I knew that if you didn't have the right pH, the right environment for the cells, they didn't grow. And so it's the same thing with your skin. What you need to do is you need to balance the skin and to create the proper environment so that your skin can be as healthy as it can. And so what you do is, here is a toner, and you know, my patients tell me that just these 2 steps have made such a difference in the shrinkage of the pores. Now, what's the next step? Exfoliation. And why is exfoliation important? Well, we know that the skin gets sluggish with age. It's supposed to regenerate itself, but as it gets older, it stops doing that. And so we want to get rid of the dead cells, but without flaking. There's no need to flake when we exfoliate. So I have developed a very luxurious AHA face cream that has lipoic acid in it and vitamin E. So it's putting nutrition back as it's exfoliating. And you'll be surprised. You'll say, well, there's no flaking. Is it really doing something? Yes, it is, because you will see that after using this, your skin is going to feel so silky smooth. And really, the way I do it is I put some on my face, around my eyes, down my neck, on my décolleté, on my hands, all over my body, you know, with the little extra that's left over. And it really, I do that every day and every night. The next step is moisturizing. You know, the skin, when it gets dried and cracked, it's more prone to infection. So keeping your skin moist and supple is very important. But it's important to do it in a way that doesn't clog the pores. And so I have developed a moisturizer that's very rich but non-clogging. It has lipoic acid in it, vitamin A and E, and it also has an SPF in it, so it gives you protection. So again, a very small amount. And as you do this, you rub this all over. You rub it around your eyes, around your mouth, in those lines around your mouth, all over your cheek, and of course, down your neck. Let's not forget the neck area. Now, what's so special about this moisturizer is that it's used in combination with a spray mist to hydrate the skin. Why is that important? It isn't enough to drink 8 glasses of water a day. It just doesn't go where it has to go. What we need to do is hydrate, bring water back to the skin. So this moisturizer is to be used in combination with this spray mist. And you just mist it, and it really feels so luxurious. And then you rub that moisturizer in after that. Now, some of my patients tell me they put this in the refrigerator, and so it feels so cool, and it's really very delightful. And when you put on makeup, the makeup will go on smoother. But you know what? My patients tell me they seem to need less makeup. You know, the sun is the #1 cause of aging, and so it's so important to use a sunblock every day, whether it's the winter time, the spring, the summer, or the fall. All year round, we need a sunblock every single day. Some people think, well, I'm driving, I don't need to use a sunblock. You get a lot of sun exposure in the car. So I have developed a clear zinc oxide lotion mist that has an SPF of 40 in it. What does SPF 40 mean? It means that it takes 40 times longer to burn in the sun than if you just used an SPF of 1. It also has antioxidants in it. And what does that mean? It means that it's able to help your skin repair itself as it's being damaged. And it also has soothing aloe to help with the inflammation that the sun is causing.